Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to remove social link in your thread profile. Why would you want to know how to remove social links in your thread profile? Well, maybe it is your first time using threads and not sure how to remove social link in your thread profile. So today I am going to show you how to remove social link in your thread profile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Removing a social link in your thread profile is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will remove social link in your thread profile. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen click on Edit Profile, and then click on Link. Now first click on cross icon to remove your social link from Thread app. Then click on check mark and now click on done in the right top corner and your link has been removed from Thread's profile. So there you go. If you were wondering how to remove a social link in your Thread profile, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.